Thermal management plays a critical role in the design and operation of electronic devices. As components become smaller and more powerful, effectively controlling heat becomes essential to maintain reliability and optimal performance. Excessive temperatures can lead to premature failure, reduced efficiency, and even safety hazards. Engineers must adhere to three fundamental rules to address these challenges: understanding heat sources, ensuring efficient heat dissipation, and selecting appropriate materials and cooling methods. By following these principles, devices can operate safely and consistently, even under demanding conditions. This section will explore each rule in detail, highlighting their significance in modern electronics. Heat spreading is a fundamental principle in thermal management, ensuring that excess heat generated by electronic components is efficiently distributed away from sensitive areas. Materials with high thermal conductivity, such as copper and aluminum, are often used because they can quickly transfer heat across their surfaces. Design choices also play a crucial role. For example, heat sinks and thermal pads are strategically placed to guide heat toward larger surfaces where it can dissipate more easily. By spreading heat evenly, these solutions help prevent the formation of hotspots, which can damage components or reduce performance. Effective heat spreading not only protects critical parts but also contributes to the overall reliability and longevity of electronic devices. Effective airflow design is essential for maintaining optimal temperatures within electronic enclosures and workspaces. By strategically placing ventilation openings, cool air can enter and hot air can exit efficiently, preventing heat buildup. The positioning of fans plays a crucial role. Intake fans should be located where they can draw in fresh air, while exhaust fans should expel warm air from areas prone to heat accumulation. Additionally, arranging components within the enclosure to avoid obstructing airflow paths enhances cooling performance. Separating high heat generating elements and ensuring clear channels for air movement further maximizes heat dissipation. Thoughtful enclosure layout, combined with well-planned ventilation and fan placement, ensures reliable and consistent cooling for sensitive equipment. The placement of components within a system plays a crucial role in managing thermal performance. By strategically positioning heat-generating elements away from sensitive parts, engineers can significantly reduce the risk of overheating and thermal interference. This thoughtful arrangement helps maintain optimal operating temperatures, ensuring that delicate components function reliably. Effective component placement also enhances airflow, which aids in dissipating excess heat. As a result, the overall efficiency and longevity of the system are improved. Careful planning during the design phase can prevent costly issues and contribute to a more robust and dependable product. In summary, the three fundamental rules we've discussed serve as the backbone of effective electronic system design. By carefully managing power distribution, ensuring signal integrity, and prioritizing thermal management, engineers can create systems that are both reliable and efficient. These principles help prevent common issues such as component failure, data corruption, and overheating. Adhering to these guidelines not only streamlines the design process but also enhances the overall performance and longevity of electronic devices. Ultimately, a strong foundation in these rules empowers designers to tackle complex challenges and deliver robust solutions in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape.